Lord, bless this new year, guide and come. May there be peace for everyone. Lord, may your blessings fill our hearts, and may we live our days with love. Another year is passing, another one is here. We pray to cast our worries, please wipe away our tears. Please bless our new beginnings and guide our every step. Please grant us strength and healing to face the days ahead.